Hello guys and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite waiting for a queue. You may face this problem nowadays because many people may be logging in the same time, so this might make you wait longer, and in this video I'll show you the simplest way to fix this problem. Just before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. All you have to do while opening the game, you should go to your network settings, whatever platform are you using. This method works on PlayStation, Xbox, PC, or any other platforms that you use. Here in my case, I will go to the start menu, then go to settings. You can do the same thing on the other platforms. Then go to network settings or network and internet. Now, what you're gonna do to your internet is to disable it, disable your Wi-Fi or Ethernet, then reconnect it again. By this way, you will bypass the queue and renew your IP, so Fortnite servers may think that you are a new user and they will get you into the game without waiting for a long time. Now, go to change adapter options. Then you will find here the Wi-Fi that you're using or the Ethernet. In my case, I have the Ethernet. Just right click on it, then click on disable. Now, after disabling it, as you can see, I disabled my internet. After disabling it, just wait for a couple of seconds, then enable it again by pressing right click, then press on enable. By this way, you changed your IP and you will bypass the queue in Fortnite. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new tutorial.